You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these name once and for all correctly, or at least in Polish. Yes, this is generally considered to be a feminine name of Polish origin, derived from the name Hannah. You know the name Hannah from Hebrew, meaning gracious? Well, that's the Polish version. The Polish pronunciation for it is Ania, indeed. Ania, not Ania or Anaya or Anaya. Ania. This is why most generally in English it is also pronounced as Ania. This is a diminutive for Anna. Ania. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.